Smart Up Your Life.
Welcome back, smart listener, on our English learning program, Smart Up Your Life and Positive Vibes, Positive Life. That's our topic for tonight. So, back to my question in the previous segment before. Do you think, yes, the positive vibe? I think it's important to have, yeah, in our life. The positive vibes may give us the positivity too in our life, but I'm going to ask you guys, why actually we need the positive vibes to be in our life? Aini maybe, or the youngest, the youngest one. Please.
Me, because I put my place there is a mother and a housewife, that I have two person that trying to figure out about me, trying to put that I'm a role model for them. That is my daughter, and that's why. But even though that I'm not always in positive situation, positive thinking, but because I'm having a two adorable daughter, it means that I have a control for myself, that all of the things then and possibility things happen in my life, and of course my action will going to be the circle for my children. So that's why, yeah, I cannot being always that negative or positive are different, but to be positive is never a regret for that person.
It's mean you need to put yourself
Yep.
in a good circle,
Yes.
in a positive environment,
Yep.
because you have two adorable daughter
Yeah.
that you were
Trying
their,
to imitate me.
trying to imitate you, and you were their
Role model.
role model. Okay, so that a good reason to have. What about you, Mr. Achang?
Okay, so yeah, I think this is the same case from the Kak Dewi. So actually, we as a leader, maybe we have giving a positive vibe for our member, because exactly they will explain, they will giving your as a role model. For example, the moment if you don't have don't have positive vibes, actually maybe the people will like afraid to you, like don't like to you, because I think this is very important, because the moment if we giving positive vibes, I think the environment will follow you, like I think that's all, Kak. Thank you.
So when we give the negativity to other people, automatically people will avoid us, right? Okay. From you, Miss Aini, do you really need to put yourself in a vibe position? I don't know what I'm talking about. In a positive vibes, yeah?
Yes.
Oh my God, I'm out of my mind.
Okay, to me, I think why it is important for me to put positive vibes on myself. Actually, exactly because it is have to coming from myself. It is for myself first, that I have business. A busy day. Like 24/7. I need to control myself. I have to be always positive in every my activity, and I think it is the positive vibes makes me energetic to do my activity, my all my obligation in as a student, as organizer, and so on. I think it's for myself and also for people around me. I think people will want to interact with another people if we have positive vibes. I think less likely people want to talk to you, communicate with you when you always intimidate another. You have negative vibes. I think it is less likely people want to interact with you. So I think that's.
So basically, the people always, every one of us, always searching or looking for the positivity in life. looking for the calmness, looking for the happy life actually. But I don't know, is it uh, really define our place right now in the positive vibe, in a positive environment? It's also automatically brings us to the positivity in the future. How from you maybe?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think everything start from ourselves. I mean, like when we spread something, we need to spread positive. Because when we spread something, when we spread positive thing to others, our environment, peoples, and automatically the feedback is positive. For example, when we confident, when we believe that we can do it, the universe will answer and make it happen. That our thinking, that our mind. So when we believe, okay, I believe I can do it. Yeah.
Like a song.
Yeah. I can fly. I believe I can fly. Yeah. Yeah.
We have no wings.
I believe. Yeah.
We have no wings.
Of course. Even we don't have wings. Right? So everything starts from us. Our personality. When we positive thinking, I'm sure we can do it. We can get it, and we can answer it. So, and not only stop from ourselves. We can spread. We can motivate someone. We can give inspiration. We can, how to say, maybe we can do everything to everything, something like inspiring. Yeah, I think so.
So that's how to say, the affirmation from ourselves, the
Yeah.
positivity that comes from ourselves,
Mhm.
and that's also can inspire another people.
Yeah.
So get our vibes, get
Mhm.
our, how to say,
Because
aura.
because energy actually
Energy.
energy we can actually explain by detail about energy, but I think energy is like it's menular, how to say, spread to peoples. When we get a spirit, our friends get spirits also. When we happy, our friend can be happy also. But when we, how to say, give up, our brain also automatically give up. So I think this is just start from our belief, our personality, in our deep heart. How can we spread the energy and create the positive life?
Yes.
Yep.
The vibes also, yes, can, like the Mr. Ardia said before, it may comes from ourselves, and also it may comes from the environment, from the people surrounding us. The question in the language I said, I mentioned, are you ever get stuck in a negativity situation with toxic people, with a toxic environment, or you get stuck in the negative vibes in your life?
Sure.
Richard, maybe.
Oh well, in the past, I've ever many I have many experience about toxic people. Yeah, because about a teenager in the past, we always went to the cyber cafe, not cyber cafe, internet cafe. Then and then
warnet,
and then meet many people from other school. The negative vibes is there are many negative vibes in the internet cafe. Yeah, because if we play and then we get loose, we always stall a toxic, like toxic friends. And then I think I need to,
so you got trapped.
I need to find a better community, like for improving my skill in one day. And then I try to find one by one, like went to the English community and then
like
improve my
BPEC.
speech. Yeah, like BPEC right now.
Yeah.
Still, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So joining the community is one of the way to trap yourself in a positive situation, in positive environment and vibes, right?
I think it's the best way to get out from the, I mean, uncomfortable zone. Like,
Uh-huh.
yeah, I
I
like
see.
to play video games in the past, but
Uh-huh.
right now, I mean, I rarely to play right now because it decreased one time. I mean, step by step it
Uh-huh.
decreased.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
And then
Alright.
I believe in nature, as our brothers say. If we believe in nature, like we say this, we will get it, and then the nature will provide us. Like,
Oh yeah.
you don't need to disappointed about your life, because if you believe in your future, the nature will help you. Then you can get it from the nature.
Uh-huh. Okay. Well, like what we think in our mind, and it will happen, right?
Yes.
Okay. Well, we are going to continue the conversation after the break, smart listeners. So if you maybe you have experience trapped in the negative vibes or negative environment, you can share your story to us. But if you hesitate to join because of the how to say, because of uh, the the language, yeah, you hesitate maybe to spell some word in English, do not hesitate, just say it in bahasa, right? You just write down your comment on our comment section on YouTube channel Smartfm Makassar, or you can text us on our WhatsApp.